Johnson. We have Michael back here with us today, and y'all enjoyed Michael's video so much. I think he's got over 130,000 views on his last video. This is his second visit here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief, and he came in here with lower back pain, left leg pain, left SI joint pain, numbness and tingling all the way down into his left foot, and pain and tingling also in his thoracolumbar area and neck pain. So we're going to check him out here for the second time. Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards. And then neutral. Yep. Now the first time you got to see, we had pretty much immediate reduction in the numbness in his feet. We still haven't gotten our pins back yet. So we're going to be decompressing him today without the pins. But that still works. Okay, good. All right, Michael, let's have you come over here and lay on your back. How much do you weigh?
175.
Oh man,
so
I might pull you over. I might go through the drywall.
Well, it's mostly muscle.
Mostly muscle.
Mostly
Yeah,
muscle,
that's
yeah.
good. Just relax your legs a little bit on the table. Let me take your keys for you. So I'm sure it does.
Oh, there's a knife on it too. That'd be a bad deal.
Yeah. I'm not going to give you napkin. Okay, there you go. Now, just breathe through your nose. Oh, yeah. Very good.
That was money.
Now, I went ahead and held your head on that one so it wouldn't fall over the end of the table. Go ahead and slide back down. There you go. Did you feel that all the way down still?
Yeah.
Good.
That was money.
That's the money shot.
That's the money shot.
Okay, I got you. Tilt your head right for me. Perfect. Now tilt left. That's it. Boy. You're one of the most cooperative patients you got. Let's come over here on your tummy. There we go. They won't be able to call you Shaggy today. All clean cut. Go ahead and put your other arm up on that.
Shaggy took a shower.
Go ahead and put that hand up there. There you go. Okay, right leg's still coming up short by about 1/4 to 1/2 inch. And I bet you that still tightens up right there in your lower back and pelvis. Thighs too, probably. His SI joint's still out here on this right side and the left side too. They're probably both sore, aren't they?
Well, the right one was the other
Right
day.
there, yeah. So we're going to do the left one first. And then I'm going to do the right one. And then I'm going to hit the sacrum on the right side of the sacrum. The sacrum right in the center of the sacrum. And now the sacrum on the left aspect of the sacrum. You notice I'm pushing that directly away from L5. And then right here is L5. We're going to drop that straight P to A. Exhale. That's it. Yes, sir. Nice and easy. Okay. I still got one here. I can feel it. Okay. You're a little tighter in that lower thoracic region today. Now your legs are exactly even though. How does this feel compared to the first one?
Ooh, a lot more loose.
A lot easier? You just go ahead. I'm just doing a lateral oblique stretch on him right now. I'm gonna stick my elbow right down here. pocket, I call it. It's where the quadratus lumborum, multifidus, and erector spinae all come together and join the sacrum. Ooh, that's tight right there.
Oh, it feels so good.
Yeah. This is one of those hurt so good moves.
Yeah.
I'm a little meaner than Joseph. I'll do a video on him today too, Joseph. If you don't mind. Oh boy, you feel that one? Man, that's ropey. Yep. Just gonna loosen that up for you. Alright. You should be feeling the blood flowing in your feet right now. There we go, good. Okay, let's turn on your back. I know when Joseph does that on me, I can feel it in my feet immediately. Oh. Okay. You're good for right now. Good. Now, let's put your arms out to the sides.
I've been using
Slide
that back
down this way
roller.
just a little bit. Lay on your back easier.
Yeah, like that little foam
Slide down
roller
this
thing.
way. Oh, good.
Yeah, we roll one.
Good. Yeah, we encourage the use of foam rollers at home and the exercises that we show people. The people who actually do the exercises and watch their posture, watch how they're sleeping, watch how they're sitting, watch how they're driving, they get well quicker and stay well longer. Now, I got another one. There it is. Okay, now relax your leg right in my hand here. You put your hands on your tummy. There you go. Should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your low back.
Yeah.
Good. Now he's had some ankle problems. Go ahead and scoot back up that way just a little bit. So I'm going to adjust his ankles too. There we go.
Oh, yeah,
felt that one.
Good, yeah.
There it is. Gotcha. Okay, let's hit you up face that way. Good job. So I have to catch you in between bucks to get that one. There you go. Okay. There we go. Good. And get your elbows in your wrist. Good boy. There we go. So this is your first adjustment in 2017. Very good. Let's stand up here in front of the mirror again.
Oh, man.
All right, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again. Much better range of motion. See, you're still cocked off to the right just a little bit. So let's pull those there. And I'm going to bring that head straight back here to the right. See, so we're going to do exactly the opposite of that. And then look up like you're looking at the ceiling. There, okay, now relax that and try that same thing again. It should feel a little smoother to you. Yep, take a look now, straight as an arrow everywhere.
Oh, I'm 6'1".
Yep, yep, you gained about an inch.
Got half inch.
Yep.
Thanks.
So, you're one of the few people that we've actually done the pins on and not the pins on. How did it feel? What's the difference?
Well, I felt it in my upper back through my neck without the pins. I didn't feel that last time with the pins.
Really?
Yeah, with the pins, it was like a solid, concentrated, like
All the way
release, just all here, just was
Right.
all released. And then without that, I felt it all the way through, but it was like more dispersed.
In your upper back?
Yeah.
More? Okay. Well, good. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, Michael, and Joseph and Renee coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in 2017. We'll see y'all soon.
Thanks, brother.
You're welcome.